In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the message is not delivered on your iPhone and how we can fix this if you're facing this trouble, and this is what we have to do. So the first thing what you need to do is you have to try ejecting your SIM and try insert it back. For some users, when they eject the SIM out or when they reinserted it back, it worked. So you can try this out as the first step. It's quite easy as it is, and if it's not working, what you need to do is we have to go over here, try turning on the airplane mode, or you can go to the settings and you can go to the airplane mode here. Try turning on the airplane mode, and once you turn on the airplane mode, just wait for a couple of seconds and you can just turn off it back, then you can check. If not, what you need to do is we have to go over here, click on the mobile service, and from here what you need to do is we have to check few things first. So the first one is all about what we need to do is if you scroll it down, you will be able to find few things. Now go to the network selections over here and make sure that is automatic. And also if you go to the mobile data option, you have to make sure that this is all done to the 5G, and also make sure the data mode is turned on as well. Once you cross check these, what we need to do is we have to try a few more things. That is all about we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the apps. From here you can scroll it down or search for message here. Now you have to go to the message. Now from here, scroll it down and make sure the iMessage is turned on, which is very important. And also make sure if you scroll it down, if you find any option here says MMS messaging, make sure that is actually turned on. Once you turn on this and stay, if you're having the trouble, we just need to go back completely. And from here, what you need to do is just go to the general and try for the software update, and you have to check. If software update it's not working, or make sure that you are on the latest version. If you're having any kind of software, you need to update it. And after updating, you have to check. Even after trying this, still if you're having the trouble, now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Go to the reset and make sure the reset network settings is done. Once the reset network is done, you have to check with it, and this is what we have to do. So these are the steps, and I'll see you in the next video. That's it. Bye.